I will show you how to make a newborn baby shoe in new style. So I am using 2 mm needle and 3 ply wool. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, we have to chain 24. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now chain 1 and make half double crochet in the next chain, and now make half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of line. Finished my line, so again chain 2 and in the third 1, 2 skip in the third and make half double crochet of the stitch front part, this one. You see the chain, the front part of the chain, this one, not the back part, the front part. So make it half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of this line. This pattern is very easy and good for beginners, not too tricky, very simple and easy. Continue making half double crochet in the front loop of stitch. So see, here is the line. Now I finished my line, so I will chain 2 and turn my work again in the front, in the back of the, in this one line is in the front and one line in the back of the stitch, like this. So make this for 7 times. Make this method for 7 times and 7 rows. I will be there when I finish my 7th row. I finished my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row. Now I will turn my work and count for. First we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and put the stitch mark in the 6th stitch. Now skip including 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now put the mark here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, sorry, from here we will count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now put the mark here and now count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I skip 12 in the middle and 6 here, 6 here. So let's start my work. Make slip stitch and when you reach to the sixth stitch, make a slip stitch and then remove your and chain 2. 1 2 and make half double crochet in 12 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now again 12 stitch chain 2 and make half double crochet in every stitch. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now chain 2, again turn your work and make half double crochet in every stitch like before. This shoe is for 3 to 6 months. So I will make half double crochet 16th row. To the 16th row I will check the size is okay or not. So let me finish my 16th row. So I will be there. Now I finished my 17th row. So this is my desired shoe size or size of the shoe. So I will cut the yarn little bit long to stitch the make slip stitch. Take needle, First of all, I want to put a little flower on the front here. It will look cute and lovely. So let me stitch it in the middle of shoe. This is the middle, the upper part of the shoe. You can fix it with glue, whatever you want to do. You can put a little bead in the front of this flower here. It's up to you. Tied it. Now I will stitch it first. From the back side you will stitch, turn it here and stitch 6 stitches to 6 stitches. Stitch it. Now do one thing more. Turn it toward each other and stitch it together. Now tie it together and cut it. Now stitch this side to the upper side. Stitch it together. Now stitch this side to this side. Now to here running stitch, and make it tight. Now cut the yarn and now stitch from this side. Again make running stitch like this in the end, tight it. Turn it to the right side. Now here is my boot is ready.